Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're diving into ZenLedger.io, a platform designed to simplify the often complex world of cryptocurrency taxes. Navigating the tax implications of digital assets can be a daunting task, filled with confusing regulations and record-keeping requirements. ZenLedger aims to alleviate this burden by providing a comprehensive suite of tools to help you accurately calculate your crypto tax obligations. Their website, found at ZenLedger.io, offers a variety of plans tailored to different levels of crypto activity, from casual traders to high-volume investors. ZenLedger's core functionality revolves around aggregating your transaction data across multiple exchanges and wallets. This consolidation process allows for a holistic view of your crypto holdings and trading activity, simplifying the process of calculating gains and losses. They support a wide array of popular exchanges and wallets, ensuring compatibility with most users' preferred platforms. The platform then employs sophisticated algorithms to determine your tax liabilities based on the relevant tax laws in your jurisdiction. This automation saves you valuable time and reduces the risk of errors that can occur with manual calculations. Beyond simple tax calculations, ZenLedger provides a range of features designed to streamline the entire tax reporting process. These include generating tax reports compliant with IRS requirements, such as Form 8949, and providing tools to assist with tax loss harvesting strategies. They also offer dedicated customer support to help answer any questions you may have along the way. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just starting out, ZenLedger's platform can be a valuable asset in navigating the intricacies of cryptocurrency taxation. Their user-friendly interface and comprehensive features aim to make the process as painless as possible, allowing you to focus on what matters most, managing your crypto portfolio effectively. For more detailed information and to explore their pricing plans, be sure to visit their website at ZenLedger.io.